Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to post a video on your Facebook profile. So to start with, you need to navigate to either your profile or your home page. In the posting part, I'm going to click on that, and then I'm going to upload the video that I want to post. So I'm going to click on the little photo video icon. I'm going to find that video. I'm going to click on that, click open, and then my video will be uploaded. So from here, you have a few options. You can edit your video a little bit. So you've got different options. You can trim the video a little bit if you want to make it a bit shorter. You can add closed captions. You could add audio descriptions or text transcripts. When you're happy, just click on done. And then you can also add in a little bit of text and things like that. So I'm going to say, check out my video. And you can also add other things to your post. So you can tag people in your post. You can add a different feeling or activity that you're experiencing. You can check in from somewhere if you're just taking a video of where you are, and you can add GIFs. The three little dots have a few different options here. You can even add like raise money to your post if it's something to do with a fundraiser. But that's about it really. Once you're happy with your video, you just click on post and that video will be posted to your profile. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.